Are you on the hunt for the best crypto platforms for leverage trading? Today, we'll reveal the top 4 platforms that can give you the best bang for your buck. But before we delve into the details, remember that leverage trading comes with its own set of risks. It's not for everyone, and it's crucial to align it with your trading style and confidence in your strategies. On the 4th spot, we have Bitunix. With a mere 0.02% maker fee and a 0.06% taker fee, Bitunix is a wallet-friendly option, but that's not all. Bitunix offers decentralized trading and a wide range of tokens. Plus, it provides easy tasks that you can complete for some extra dollars. Rolling into number 3 is Margex. Margex also boasts low fees, with a 0.019% taker fee and a 0.060% maker fee. Like Bitunix, it offers decentralized trading. But what sets Margex apart is its copy trading feature, and if you're a beginner, you're in luck because Margex is one of the easiest platforms to use. The 2nd spot goes to Bitget. Bitget offers low fees, a user-friendly interface, and dedicated customer support. It also supports copy trading. But what really makes Bitget shine are the amazing welcome bonuses, daily spinning wheels, and mini games that can help you earn extra dollars. And finally, the top spot goes to Mexc. Mexc offers the widest variety of tokens for leverage trading and the lowest fees in the market of the trustworthy platforms, only 0.01% maker fee and a 0.05% taker fee. And if you hold Mexc tokens, you can even reduce your fees to virtually zero. Mexc also offers its own MasterCard that you can use to pay with crypto at your local gas station. On top of that, it provides amazing sign-up bonuses, airdrops, and daily rewards. So there you have it, our top 4 crypto platforms for leverage trading. Remember, choosing the right platform can save you significant amounts in fees and offer you a wide range of coins to trade. This can give you an edge before others. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck in your trading journey. To support our channel and avoid scams, use our affiliated links provided below. Until next time, trade wisely.